Hello friends, today we'll discuss about the opto-isolator. Now opto-isolators are very important device which is connected in the power electronic circuit for the isolation of high power circuit to the low power circuit. Now what do you mean by optical connector or optical isolator? Basically here the signal transmitted from one part to the other part, but that is not through the conduction, that is because of the connection between the optical light. So there are optocouplers available in the market which is in the form of photodiode and the phototransistor, LED with phototransistor, then LED, infrared LED with photo LASCR, then triac with ultraviolet diode. So these type of devices which are already available in the market in the form of IC. So let us study how these devices will work. What are their numbers? If you want to identify this number in the data sheets, so how you will identify these devices? Now let us see here. Now the very first device is called as the which is the basic optocoupler, which is nothing but it is a combination of one LED, that is infrared LED, and the phototransistor. It is encapsulated in one single chip IC. So the number of that IC is N4N35. So here you will find that when you supply the positive voltage at the anode of this LED, the current conduction will take place through the LED, and because of that the light will get emitted. Now this light will fall on the base to emitter junction of the transistor, which is a phototransistor, and because of that what will happen? There is a collector current. So base current will be nothing but the optical current which is fall because of the conduction of this infrared LED, and because of that the collector current will flow. And now this collector current is fed to the driver circuit, or you can say to the device which you want to supply or which you want to connect. So here what happens, the electrical signal is converted into the optical signal, and the optical signal is again converted into the electrical signal. Means the conversion of electrical signal take place into the optical signal. Optical signal again convert into the electrical signal because of this, and hereafter you can directly connect the your power devices. So what happened, since no physical connection is there in between these both the side, what will happen, there is a isolation between these two devices, and hence whatever the electromagnetic pickups are there or electromagnetic noises are there, that will be get separated from one side to another side. At the same time, since there is no physical connection, so anything happens in this side, that will be protected to this side. So this side connection circuitry will be protected because of optical isolation between these two devices. Hence we come to the conclusion that it is a optical isolator circuit. Now this circuit is very basic, and at the same time you know that the current conduction take place here because of the fall of light on the base of the transistor. So current magnitude of that current is less. So if you want to increase the magnitude of the current, you should go for the another type of configuration which is called as the Darlington configuration. So another transistor will be connected here to increase the current rating of the device.